This is just so horrible!
Erika, can you just bring down your voice?
Don't tell me to bring down my voice. This is what you keep doing every time and it's not cool!
But I'm tired now. We've done 3 rounds already.
3 rounds what? This is what I'm saying. Every time I try to communicate with you, you call me nagging, you call me unappreciative, you just call me dramatic. But what am I to appreciate? This hot big sex you gave me?
Erika, we've had 3 rounds already.
Oh, that's
tired.
what I'm saying. You're always tired. You're always tired, Kelvin. It almost feels like I'm dating a 70-year-old man who knows nothing about the bed, who doesn't know how to appreciate a woman, and it's so disgusting. It's bad. I am fed up of this. Why don't you know how to do anything? Why don't you know how to satisfy me? Is it so difficult to do? Is it? What's so difficult there?
You're so insatiable.
Me?
It's very difficult to satisfy.
Oh yeah, there you go again. Check your mates. Go check your mates. They make their women faint. They make them shake. You don't even listen to me.
Well, go meet them now so they
I'm
can make
trying.
you shake.
Oh, there you go again.
Make you faint.
There you go again.
Go.
You don't even feel my pain.
Go meet them. Let them make you shake.
What's the noise all about?
I don't know. I couldn't hear a thing said.
That girl, she's always screaming every now and then. I barely hear the guy talk.
Since we moved in here 2 months ago, I haven't heard the guy talk. The only time I see him is when he's out here in front of his house, or maybe he's driving out.
She must really be stressing the hell out of the guy. I haven't seen him smile.
Aren't we all being stressed? Please, to each his own.
I hear you. That's why I don't want to put myself in any position like that. I love how single and happy I'm living my life.
Really? Says the one who talked about missing a man's warmth?
Lacking doesn't mean a missing relationship. I don't envy what you and need to have.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, that's all you know how to do. Wear your clothes and act like nothing happened. Yeah, you can go. Go, weakling, chicken, go. Whatever. Ah!
I'm going somewhere.
Man, I need to take a breather outside.
Alright, but I will let this voice down here. What's the trouble?
Same old, you already know.
One day you drive this girl crazy in this house.
What an irony.
Oh man, we're doing this relationship. I don't even get straight. Come on, drive me, bro. Relationship. Man, see strength first shop. The queen of Kelvin's world.
Oh, please, which stupid queen?
You know.
What? Did you just call me stupid, Oscar?
I called you queen and you said, which stupid one? I said you. I mean, mine was a compliment. Now you contradict more.
Whatever. You see that stupid friend, eh? Your stupid friend knows how to get on my last nerve.
And what has he done this time?
What has he not done this time? I mean, what sort of relationship would a girl like me be in with such kind of man?
Such kind of man.
Uh-huh.
Girl, Calvin is handsome.
And who is talking about being handsome? Please, Oscar, don't even act like you don't know what the issue has been from the onset.
Girl, calm down. I know what the issue has been, and I've tried to talk to Kevin about it. And he said he's working, he's doing his best.
He's doing his best? Really? He better watch it. Because I'll report this whole insensitive behavior to my dad.
Oh, it hasn't gotten to that. Just chill. I'll talk to him again.
Whatever, I gotta go.
Queen!
Yeah, I've heard you.
Beautiful!
Whatever.
Jesus Christ. This girl is fire. Hurry! The guy is in trouble with this girl. I said it. You were obviously avoiding her.
Man, bro, honestly, at this point, I would give anything to avoid some humans in my life.
Oh, she said I should talk to you, Calvin.
Oh, please. I don't want to hear it.
Calvin, she feels neglected.
Then if she feels that way, she should make herself a little unavailable, bruh.
You know the only reason you're saying this right now is because you don't feel her anymore.
Bro, I haven't said that. Okay? I haven't said that.
It's written over your face, Calvin. Take a look at your face.
You know, sometimes I just wish she could just do the right things. I mean, how hard could it be?
Why don't you tell her yourself?
Come on, bro. She's not a baby. I'm sure she'll figure it out in due time.
In due time, you said. Why, continue your game. Your hide and seek game. Go on. There's more space in this place for it.
Yeah, waiting to worry you now. You won't come to yab me again.
I know what forced you when you go into a relationship. Oh. I don't tell you. Babe, look, Marhala. Good food. Good life. Every day, Erika. Only you they get babe. Me, woman, they worry me. Say what's happen. I sure don't finish for this world.
There's no food in the kitchen.
You're right.
May I know why?
Because I don't feel like cooking.
Hey, hold on. Am I missing something? Am I missing something, Karen? It's like you are misbehaving a whole lot lately.
Because of what? Because I didn't cook for you.
Isn't that the perfect definition of misbehaving?
Nato, I'm your girlfriend and not your wife. If you want to walk into my house every day and eat, why not put a ring on it? But you know, the last time I checked, you might as well keep your ring.
My house, you mean?
No, Nato, my house. The fact that you paid for it doesn't mean it's yours. After all, it's my name on the tenancy agreement.
Will you come back here?
Let go of my hand right now!
And what if I don't?
Alright, no problem. Hold it. We'll see who will get tired.
Oh, babe, come on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please don't call me that.
Neto. Neto. Neto.
Oh, hi Linda.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm alright. I'm good.
What are you doing here?
Nothing much. Just chilling. And what are you doing here?
I'm just coming out from a friend's place, so I decided to come chill out before going home. You didn't come out with Karen. Are you alright?
Linda, I am not exactly alright. It's about your friend Karen. These days she's being unnecessarily toxic. Listen, I don't know what is happening and I don't know if you may know why.
Toxic.
Yes.
Need to come on. Come out of it. You and I know Karen is a sweet girl. If there is anyone who is toxic here, it has been you. Hey, don't be mad at me. You know the truth is bitter. If she knows what she's supposed to know, she wouldn't have been in a relationship with you. What's up with you?
Nothing. I'm good.
No. I mean, what's up with you?
I don't understand.
I saw Nito at the bar today after seeing my friend, so saw him there.
You met him at the bar? Like a coincidence?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Anyway, he made some complaint about you changing lately. And he asked if I can help him find out why. He feels you're seeing someone else.
I could have done what he did to me a few times, but that's not my aim on.
If that's not your mode of operation, then what? What is really going on? I notice you're not treating him the way you used to treat him before.
Listen, it's nothing, Linda, okay? But if there is something, maybe time will tell. For now, I just want Nato to stop treating me as if he's a god in my life. Not after everything he has put me through.
Baby girl, you know boys will always be boys. For you people that wants to be in a relationship, if you see anyone that can take care of your bills, just have to forgive him and other things he chose to do. Especially when he's the one that always comes back. I know Nato may be flawed, but he takes care of you and the bills. Come on. Let's go sometime.
Wow. What a mentality. Clap for yourself.
Come on, Erica. It's enough already.
No, it's not enough. We haven't even done anything.
I'm not in the mood, okay? I'm just not in the
Why?
mood.
Baby, have I done anything that made you lose interest in me?
You haven't done anything, okay? Can we just talk about something else that's more important, please?
Talk about what? Isn't intimacy important in a relationship? Huh? And we're about to get married. Right? Is this what I get? What? Why did you give me that look?
What look?
You gave me the I'm not ready for marriage look. Why?
You probably misread my face because I'm sure it said something different.
Something like what?
Look, I don't know. Can we just change the topic, please?
Very well then. I know you're trying to play a silly game on me, but just be rest assured that two can play that game. Okay? I have to be on my way now. Excuse me, can I pass?
Come back here, Karen! Karen, I said come back here!
Listen, maybe you used to have the privilege of commanding me around, but I'm not that girl anymore, okay? I want to live my life the same way you've lived yours, freely with no accountability.
You really need to watch yourself, Karen. You better go in, sit down, and talk to yourself and do what's right. Otherwise...
Otherwise what? There is nothing you would do to me that you've not done before.
If you leave, this relationship is over.
Well. That took you so long. Watch me.
No, bro. I'm babe. What is the K-drama series right now here?
Come on, I love us fight, too.
It be like say, those like said people cannot be in a stable relationship. So this drama is you and Erica. And tomorrow is your opposite doorstep neighbor. Now Battle of the Lovers. Season 1 going now. K-drama series. This is going to sell low. Battle of the Lovers. We get from your own side, get from their own side. It sells. Nollywood standard. K-drama standard. Hollywood standard too, my bro. I would have taken a video of this. One more. It's about Okoye and Tujoy.
I really hope you meant it this time. My heart's been a wreck for the past months. Worse is having someone that hurt you deep by your side.
I know Nato hasn't been the best of boyfriends. I know he left you lonely many times. But now, he's trying to do better. Why not give him a chance?
He cheated on me repeatedly.
All men cheat, Karen.
That's what you think.
I know so.
Even if they do, are there no boundaries to whom they cheat with?
Karen, you asked 21 questions at the same time. What matters is that he loves you and he's trying his best to take care of you. Why don't you loosen up for him? Allow him live. He's young. They all act the same.
Yeah, definitely.
Guess what? You can stay, but you cannot touch. So my bro, feed your eyes. Cause if you cross the boundaries and Erica catches you, it is all over for you. Gay will not give you breathing space to do one or two outside. And to go and roam your nearest neighbor. My guy, it is not possible. See you.
What are you saying? Do I answer to Erica? Bro, I'm not her boy toy, okay?
Something like that. The last time I checked, you wanted to leave. We can barely try. You can't leave. Say it.
Going somewhere?
No.
You have used this mirror over 10 times because I've been keeping count.
Nothing much, okay? A girl just wants to look good because you never can tell who is watching. Man.
Oh God. Are you expecting anyone?
I'm not expecting anyone.
What's with this back and forth at the window?
It's none of your business.
Well, my eyes are on you.
Are they not better off somewhere else?
Hi, baby.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
As it got into that, so I have to take permission to come see my woman.
Well, it's just a simple courtesy.
But that was never in play in our relationship until now.
Please, Nato, wrong timing. I'm not ready for your argument.
Babe, I am not here for arguments. I came to apologize for the other day. I want things to go back to how they used to be. I don't like the fact that I can't get hold of you anymore.
I thought you said we are over.
You do not have to interrupt me all the time to prove a point. You are my girl and I'm here to work things out.
Too late.
What do you mean by...
It's nothing. I want to go back inside. You want to come in?
Oh, no. You can go in. I'm fine.
Hi.
Hello. My name is Nato.
Okay.
I wanted to introduce myself to you since I noticed you're my fiance's neighbor.
Your fiance.
Yes. Karen, your opposite neighbor.
Oh.
I saw you looking our way a moment ago, so I decided to come introduce myself to you.
Okay, I get it.
Alright. I'll be seeing you around.
Yeah.
Hey.
What took you so long?
Nothing really. Just wanted to check something real quick.
Okay.
So tell me, baby. Your opposite neighbor, the guy who stays down there, what's his name?
Which guy?
Your opposite neighbor now, the guy that stays just down there.
I don't know his name. Why do you ask?
Well, nothing much, but it seems to me like someone who doesn't really like to mind his business. Anyway, that's not why I'm here. I came to take you out for dinner.
Dinner? Why?
What do you mean by dinner? Why? It is date night. Aren't you the one who said Wednesdays should be our date night?
I know I said that, but not for once did you do it, so why now?
What would I ever do for you that you'd appreciate for once? What? I try, you complain. I do not try, you still complain.
Because there's always a motive behind the things you do, especially when it comes to things you don't like. So what is it this time? Did you sleep with my cousin?
What? You know what? I guess I should just go home. We'll do this some other time.
Yeah, whatever.
You too, whatever.
I talk am. Girl, you like this girl?
Guy, Erica's coming over tonight, oh.
Bravo. Collect your award. You always finding a way to change the topic. Well, I'm hungry and there's no food in the kitchen.
It's like you should go make something where you go chop now. Why are you telling me? I resemble your cook.
Guy, calm down. You have to be a brother's keeper. I only ask for food.
Oh, guy,
That's
it's like
my
you
food
should
to
go
eat.
cook food where you go chop, Joe. You only ask for food.
Now why you dey pack those food, brother? If I mean I go make food keep for you, make you shop after when you are back. You do the crush on girl. I know blame you, sha.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Oscar, Kelvin's friend, your opposite neighbor.
Oh yeah, I've seen you a couple of times.
Okay, may I come in? I came to see your sister.
My sister, Karen, my friend.
Oh, yeah, your friend.
Hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem. None at all. Yeah, there's no problem.
Are you sure?
I'm sure there's no problem.
Okay.
Alright. Hi, Karen.
Hi.
Well, I'm Oscar. I'm Kelvin's friend, your opposite neighbor.
Yeah, I do see you around.
I know you might be surprised to see me here. I actually came to see you.
Okay, I hope there is no problem.
Only if you say no to my request. I may faint, and that will be a problem.
Well, I do think it's something I can do because if you faint, we cannot carry you, obviously.
I just came back from the site. By the way, I'm an house agent.
Okay.
And there is no food in the house, so I thought I should come to my neighbor's house to ask for lunch. That is, if you don't mind.
Well, I don't mind at all.
Right.
I have food in the house actually, so please sit.
Thank you.
Wow, this is so cute. I like guys that are not shy to ask for favor.
Oh, shy? I'm not a shy type. I can't be.
Okay, would you want to drink anything?
Yeah, sure. I would love to.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Thank you. Dang. You tell me. I'm talking to you, dearest dummy. You will put me in trouble one day. Well. Oh. This is good. Omoye, hunger won't finish me for a house. Tell myself, say, why pretend? When I have a very fine, pretty neighbor as you, which I'm sure you know how to cook. See, girl, you are good. Your mother did raise you well.
Well, I'm glad you came. I like people like you who have the courage to.
Meh, you cook so well. Your mother did raise you well.
Thanks.
Ouch. Hey, how come again next time? Hope I can come. Eh?
Well, I've watched him for a while now, and I observed that he hardly talk or smile, even though he has smiled at me once.
That is Kelvin for you. He's such a sweet soul. He likes to start up trouble.
I've overheard a girl's voice screaming sometimes. Is that his girlfriend?
Yeah, Erica. They are dating, but it's kind of complicated.
They want to break up?
Something like that.
Okay.
Wow. I explained about 3 hours here already. I should be on my way out right now. We'll come around some other time.
Oh, that's okay by me. Kelvin can also come around and eat whenever he's hungry.
Oh, nice. I will send you a message. And thanks for the food. It was quite yummy.
I know, thank you.
See you next time.
Alright, bye.
Let it burn like dirt. Let it burn like dirt. Let it burn like dirt. Love is magical. Love is real. Every day, every night, this fire's burning deep inside me, and I'm wondering what is it about. Now I think about you without stopping, and I wonder, what is it I'm doing? And I don't have a clue. Maybe I'm just thinking loud. Maybe it's my heart speaking, saying the words I can't define, but it sounds so beautiful.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi, Kelvin. I'm Karen.
Oh, hi, Karen. How are you?
I'm good. Oscar said you had nothing to eat. He ate at my house, by the way.
Oh,
So I thought to bring you food so you don't go to bed on an empty stomach.
oh, wow. Okay. I don't know what to say.
Say thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Here. I'm fine.
Girl, you take
Good
my
night.
breath away. Let it burn like dirt. Let it burn let it burn like that. Love is magical, love is real. Every day, every night, this fire's burning deep inside me, and I'm wondering what is it about. Now I think about you without stopping, and I hear every beat of your beat.
Who was that?
Oscar.
So where is he? I thought he went to hang out.
He just quickly dropped something and he left.
What are you carrying?
It's none of your business.
Whatever. I'm going upstairs. Don't keep me waiting.
Every beat of your being standing right in front of me. Your every call, every scent drop me deeper, and I'm wondering what is wrong with me. Maybe I'm just thinking wild. Maybe it's my mind painting, special painting made of love, and it's so beautiful. You are beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. Hello, can I come around tonight? Hello, even if it in your dream. Hello, I just wanna be by your side. Hello, even if it in your imagination. Girl, you're beautiful. I swear you're beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. Hello, I just wanna be by your side. Hello, even if it in your imagination. Girl, you're beautiful. I swear you're beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. It's burning up right now. It's burning up right now. Let it
Erica, wake up.
Gosh, what's the problem? I've told you never to wake me up. Allow me sleep and wake up whenever I choose to. Baby girl is royalty, but you fail to understand this part.
Aren't you going out today?
I don't get it. Going out to where?
Perhaps to go spoil yourself, or hang out with friends.
Oh my goodness.
You like?
Someone has decided to be romantic after 6 months. Oh. Look at me thinking of telling my dad and dumping your sorry ass.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, you read my mind. You're so lucky.
Oh, yes, indeed, I'm lucky and I'm blessed to have you. So, what are you going to do? Perhaps the spa? Something, just something fun to make yourself feel good.
Okay, I wanted to leave spa for the evening. But since you've mentioned it, I think I'll start spoiling myself this morning.
Yes, babe. You deserve to spoil yourself. You deserve to be pampered, to relax, and be taken care of.
Yeah, sure. Thank you for acting like a husband to be.
Oh, the pleasure is mine.
Thanks.
All right, baby. I came to return this and to thank you for last night. You were indeed a lifesaver. To think that I was about to go to bed on an empty stomach. By the way, the food was delicious. Thank you.
Take this. All right. Please sit.
Okay, thank you. Wow. I see you do know how to treat your guests nicely, huh?
Well, I was raised well by my mom.
To be honest, your outburst the other day with your fiancé made me think otherwise.
Fiancé?
Yeah. Nato, I believe. He came over to my apartments the other day and introduced himself as your fiancé.
Nato is not my fiancé. He is just my boyfriend. And he has never proposed to me for the past 6 months we were dating. In fact, he has just been giving me a series of heartache.
Oh my goodness.
What's funny?
Well, I think I know why he did that. He was probably trying to mark and protect his territory. You know, perhaps he saw the way I stared at you the other day.
You stared at me?
Mm-hmm.
Why were you staring at me?
Oh, come on. That's a rhetorical question, right? Have you looked at yourself in the mirror? Do you have any mirror around here? Let's check it out. You're so beautiful. Any man would stop and stare.
Do you want to watch something on TV?
Oh, yeah. What's interesting?
Young Sheldon. It's very funny. You're gonna like it.
Okay. Well, young Sheldon it is then. Let's do it.
Let it burn like dirt. Let it burn like dirt. Let it burn like dirt. Love is magical. Love is real. Every day, every night, this fire's burning deep inside me, and I'm wondering what is it about. Now I think about you without stopping, and I wonder what is it I'm doing, and I don't have a clue. Maybe I'm just thinking loud. Maybe it's my heart speaking, saying the words I can't define, but it sounds so beautiful. You are so beautiful. Girl, you take my breath away. Like I'm dreaming, but I'm seeing every beat of your being standing right in front of me. Your every call, every sight drop me deeper. And I'm wondering what is wrong with me. Maybe I'm just thinking wild. Maybe.
When last did I ever see you like this? Humming a song and happily doing a chore. Let me think. I remember when you newly fell in love with Nieto. So tell me, are you guys working things out now?
Oh dear Linda. Stop overthinking things, okay? I am happy because I am a happy girl. Happy girl.
Well, as a friend that knows you, I would say I know when someone is love bugged. So, and I can bet with anything that this is love.
Oh, Linda. You're just imagining things, okay? I want to sleep.
Okay, well, I'll find out.
You find out.
Relationship.
Right.
All right, sleep well.
Special painting made of love, and it's so beautiful. You are beautiful.
Hey, Karen.
Hi, Oscar.
Please come in.
Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thanks.
Can I get you a drink, I'm certain?
Oh no, I'm fine.
Right.
Is Kelvin upstairs?
No. Kelvin is not home. He went for a meeting with his boss.
Alright. When will he be back?
He doesn't have a fixed time to get home. He might step in here anytime soon.
Alright, can I sit here and wait for him? I was really bored at home and I wanted to come out.
No, it's fine. Alright. I'll be in my room. Do feel at home.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, you're beautiful. Hello, can I come around tonight? Hello, even if it is your dream.
Oscar.
Hello,
Oscar.
I just want.
Yeah.
Oh. Kelvin is not back, right?
No, he's not.
I've waited for too long. I didn't even know when I slept off.
It's fine.
Alright, I'll be on my way now.
Alright.
Please tell him that I was here, will you?
Sure, I will.
Alright.
Feels good to have you here.
Thank you. See you around.
Alright, I will.
Okay.
Take care. Bro, she slept on this couch for up to 3 hours waiting for you.
And you didn't bother to call me. See your life.
Calm down. I wanted you to walk in and be surprised. I never knew you stayed out this long. I'm surprised you got it in you to pull a girl to your house. I'm surprised you got it in you to pull a girl down to your house.
Well, I didn't know I was going to stay out that long myself. I had a meeting with some new clients with Erica's dad. And then Erica stopped by at his office and she insisted that I take her out to dinner. Bro, I had to. But my ears are still ringing from all the nagging and complaints.
All is not fair, love. My bro, take heart.
Who they follow this one laugh? You messed up, bro. You messed up. Funny guy.
It is well with your heart. You and Erica.
Funny guy. You think say you get joke. So they come up for a joke.
I don't look funny to you today. No worry. When your K-drama starts, you know I'm funny.
Let it burn like dirt. Let it burn like dirt. Let it burn like dirt. Love is magical. Love is real. Every day, every night, this fire's burning deep inside me, and I'm wondering what is it about. Now I think about you without stopping, and I wonder what is it I'm doing, and I don't have a clue. Maybe I'm just thinking loud. Maybe it's my heart speaking, saying the words I can't define, but it sounds so beautiful. You are so beautiful. Girl, you take my breath away. Like I'm dreaming, but I'm seeing every beat of your being standing right in front of me. Your every curve, every scent drove me deeper. And I'm wondering what is wrong with me. Maybe I'm just thinking wild. Maybe it's my mind painting. Special painting made of love. And it's so beautiful. You are beautiful. Girl, you're beautiful. Hello, can I come around tonight? Hello, even if it in your dream. Let it burn like that. Let it burn like that. Let it burn like that. Love is magical. Love is real. Every day, every night, this fire's burning deep inside me, and I'm wondering what is it about. Now I think about you without stopping, and I wonder, what is it I'm doing? And I don't have a clue. Maybe I'm just thinking loud. Maybe it's my heart speaking, saying the words I can't define, but it sounds so beautiful. You are so beautiful. Girl, you take my breath away. Like I'm dreaming, but I'm seeing every beat of your being standing right in front of me. Your every curve, every scent drove me deeper. And I'm wondering what is wrong with me. Maybe I'm just thinking wild. Maybe it's my mind painting. Special painting made of love. And it's so beautiful. You are beautiful. Girl, you're beautiful. Hello, can I come around tonight?
Hey, babe.
Hello.
Hey. Is it that you did not hear my car honk? Or you didn't just see me walk to you?
I saw you. I was busy with my phone. What do you want me to do?
It's to drop the bloody phone and come welcome your boyfriend when you see him. Isn't that what a smart girl in a relationship should do?
Well, I'll pass. Because I'm not a smart girl.
Give this to me. What? What's rubbish?
Give me my phone, Nate.
I won't.
What do you mean you won't?
Get the fuck out of here. What's wrong with you?
Hey, how dare you push her like that? Have you got nuts?
How dare you meddle into our business? Who the fuck are you?
You'll know soon enough. Karen, let's go. Are you okay?
Hello, even if it in your dream. Hello, I just wanna be by your side.
Do you want me to get you a drink?
No, I'm just... I'm really embarrassed right now.
Hey, you don't have to be. You don't have to be. It's on him, not you. It's fine, all right? I got you.
Thank you.
So do you want to watch something?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you want to watch?
Comedy, maybe?
Yeah, something to lighten up the mood, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even if it ain't your imagination, girl, you're beautiful.
Hey, Kay.
Hey, Kay.
You want to go out on a date with me?
Why not?
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
Browsing through your files, and I know what you need tonight. Girl, you need a healer by your side. Love me right now. I don't wanna waste no time. Kiss me right now. I don't wanna waste your time. Baby, it's too long, too far. We've been working down this road. Life is too short not to live the best of years. If this is a crime, then I am guilty. If this is a trash, then I am filthy. Rich in love, spending my lifetime loving you. Let me take it away. Baby, let me take it away. Let me take your pain away. Oh, baby. Is it wrong or is it right now? Staring in your eyes now. This room is getting smaller as our love is getting bigger. The trouble's fading quicker. Only for the sake of our love, the world is getting better. Can you hear the whispers? Yeah, girl. Baby girl, the four walls of heartbreaks are coming down, and they're never gonna rise again. Cause I love you, I love you, I love you, girl. I love you, I love you, I love you, girl. And I'll spend the rest of my life showing you. I'll spend the rest of my life. Baby, you don't know how long it's been coming. Thank God we're here now. Give me your heart now. I'm never gonna play around. I'm only gonna be around, yeah, baby. Now and forever. However, wherever, whatever, yeah, yeah. Love me right now. I don't wanna waste no time. Kiss me right now. I don't wanna waste your time. Baby, it's too long, too far. We've been working down this road. Life is too short not to live the best of years. If this is a crime, then I am guilty. If this is a crime, then I am filthy. Rich in love, spending my lifetime loving you. Let me take it away. Baby, let me take it away. Baby, let me take it away. Let me take it away. Let me take your pain away.
Karen, I don't know what you're doing to me with your love.
I don't know either. But I know I like the way you make me feel.
Let it burn like that. Let it burn like that. Let it burn like that. Love is magical. Love is real. Every day, every night, this fire's burning deep inside me, and I'm wondering what is it about? Now I think about you without stopping, and I wonder what is it I'm doing, and I don't have a clue. Maybe I'm just thinking loud. Maybe it's my...
You're so beautiful. I can literally stare at you like this all night long.
Thank you.
Because the way you smile and your eyes, Please stay with me tonight. Please.
I would, but not tonight.
Why not? Come on. Having you here makes me happy. And I know you want to spend time with me as much as I want to spend time with you.
I have to go now. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. But before you leave, can I just get one last tight hug, please?
Speaking, saying the words I can't define, but it sounds.
And what was that?
What was what?
Oh my God, Karen. You guys kissed. And you have been at his place for over an hour. You like him.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You like him.
Linda, I don't know what you're saying.
You're falling in love with him. Now I know why you hate Nick.
I don't know what you're saying. Please, go to bed.
See how you're blushing.
What?
Oh my God.
You
Okay.
are so beautiful. Girl, you take my breath away. Like I'm dreaming, but I'm seeing every beat of your being standing right in front of me. Your every curve, every scent, drop me deeper. And I'm wondering what is wrong with me. Maybe I'm just thinking wild. Maybe it's my mind painting. Special painting made of love. And it's so beautiful.
Too engrossed in the phone, you could hardly notice me.
Sorry, I was busy talking business with a friend.
Why do you always look that way?
No, it's nothing. I'm gonna pick up a parcel, but I won't be gone too long.
Okay. Don't keep me lonely all day, right?
Okay.
See you.
You're beautiful. Girl, you're beautiful. Hello. Can I come around tonight? Hello.
Yeah?
How may I help you?
My name is Nato. My girlfriend lives just opposite this house. I'm here to see the man who lives here.
My boyfriend is not around.
Well, then it's best I speak with you then.
Is there a problem?
There wouldn't be if your boyfriend stops to meddle with my private business and stay away from my girlfriend.
Come in, please. So Kelvin knows how to fight for someone else and he doesn't try to fight for me.
I promise you, if not that I was not in the mood to fight that day, no one would mess with me like that without leaving with a blow on the face.
Well, I'm glad you didn't hit him on his face. You know, that would mess up his face. That's the only thing I'm managing for now. Oh, really, he did that. But wait, do you think I'm attractive and sexy?
He doesn't tell you?
No.
That guy is so dumb.
Yeah, who's there? I'm coming now. I'm coming. What? You.
Yes, me. So, you're the one who's been trying so hard to win my man over. You know, I saw both of you outside the apartment stealing glances at each other. But I didn't think it's something I should be worried about. I just thought you were admiring my relationship. Your boyfriend Nato just left my apartment complaining. It's time to put you in check.
Wait. Nato came around to this apartment and I had no idea. Put me in check? You know what? I don't know whatever Nato said to you. But this time around, I am not that kind of girl to be talked down on. This time, I am different.
Quite impressive. Yet you choose whenever I'm away to steal glances at my man. Right? How funny.
Who is she?
I am Erica, Kelvin's girlfriend. Who are you?
So?
So please tell Sisieko here to stop trying to steal my boyfriend with her evil stare. It's not going to work. And not with Erica. Not today. Not tomorrow. Not anytime soon. Not when Erica is involved.
Have you heard about the story of Dave and Bella? I heard at the end, Kim didn't win. Are you sure you want to put Erica through that?
I think I know the story. But you know why Kim didn't win? Because she backed out. This is not going to happen now. Not now, not today, not tomorrow. Not when I, Erica, is involved. I always know how to get even. Have a good day.
Thank you for standing up for me.
Too early, don't you think? Are you sure you want to go down this road? Better mend friends with Nito. Leave her boyfriend alone.
Well, I've already fallen way too deep. I can't think about giving it up. Well. Kenechukwu Okoye. Why do I owe this visit?
Oh, so I can't visit my girl again?
The last time you were in this estate, you didn't come to my apartment. You only went to stir trouble.
Trouble? Babe, you started it by letting that man meddle into our business. I watched you leave with him. So instead of you to support your man, you walk out with a total stranger.
Stranger? You have no idea.
What is that supposed to mean?
I don't know, Nato, but I know you're not dumb. So read between the lines.
Wait, hold on. Are you seeing that guy? Are you cheating on me?
Am I?
How dare you!
No, how dare you! You think I don't know about your sescapades? But to think that you, my boyfriend, would sleep with my friend. God, you have no idea how much I've been wanting to say this to your faces. You both must have really thought that you were smart.
Okay, we're almost done. Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
All done.
I know you must have scattered my hair, so.
You still look beautiful.
All right. So, are you going to be here by the time I'm back from the event, or you'd be leaving?
Oh no, I just stay by, then later I'll leave.
All right, it's fine. If you need anything, Linda is here to help you.
All right.
All right?
All right.
All right, see you when I get back.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
Fine lady.
See ya!
See you.
Why are you laughing like that?
I'm just admiring you guys. Though, I got no time for a relationship. It's draining.
So, tell me about it. Because even I myself sometimes wonder if this relationship stress is really worth it.
How do you mean?
I mean, you know this one man, one woman thingy. Sometimes it can be really draining.
I swear to you, reason I don't envy you guys. One person cheats, the other cries. The way you've made Karen cry for you.
But look for me now. I'm a baby boy now. What's a man got to do? Besides, I like your style, really. Trust me, it's the best way to live. You know, free from drama and all. And I must say, you look really beautiful, sexy, and drop dead gorgeous. Any man would be greedy to have you for himself alone.
Eh? Are you saying I'm supposed to be sleeping around?
No. Listen, don't get me wrong. What I'm saying is, you are so beautiful. One would wish you belonged to him. I mean, I've admired you for 6 months since I met you with Karen. Trust me, you are my kind of person. And your beauty can make anyone go wild.
Well, thank you. This baby girl here don't want to do love.
So what is it exactly you want? Your lips are so beautiful.
Come on, Nito. You're coming too close for comfort.
I like you, Linda. And trust me, nobody's going to know. We are both adults and we can do whatever we want.
You're handsome. And hot too.
have lived every day hoping to see you tell me the truth, but you never did. I had hoped that you would confess to me and I'll forgive you. But then, it is what it is. I just resented you from that day, Nato. I mean, I forgive all your cheating. But doing it with my friend that I'm housing? I thought there was a limit to whom you would cheat with.
I'm so sorry, Karen. Believe me, that never happened again. I regretted it. I wished I could tell you, but I can't look you in the face and say that. I didn't know when I allowed myself to be sweet-talked by a ranty playboy. So sorry.
You know, Nato's own I can understand, because he's a randy playboy. But you, I met you a year ago and I took you in as my sister. How do you let yourself to be sweet-talked by him? What happened to sisterhood?
I'm so sorry. I know I messed up. Please.
You know, I guess I have to make it clear now. I am dating Kelvin. And Nato, I don't want to ever see you again. Oh God, I need fresh air.
I waited for you throughout yesterday so we could see face to face and talk. But you didn't, so I left. I'm here today now and I need you to answer my question, Kelvin. Are you seeing that girl? So I can know what I'm reporting back to my father. Because she made me believe that you both are dating. Alright. You have no answer, right?
Look, there is nothing to report, okay? It was just a stupid point I was trying to prove to Oscar because he dared me, that's all. I'm not seeing the girl.
Guess what? You can stay, but you cannot touch. So my bro, feed your eyes. Cause if you cross the boundaries and Erica catches you, it is all over for you. Gay will not give you breathing space to do one or two outside. And to go and roam your nearest neighbor. My guy, it is not possible. See you.
What are you saying? Do I answer to Erica? Bro, I'm not a boy toy, okay?
Something like that. The last time I checked, you wanted to leave. We can barely try. You can't leave. See you.
Okay. Oscar's words made me feel less of a man. I just wanted to prove a point to him that I could get any girl I wanted. Listen, Erica, I chose to be a good guy. It's not because you control me. But he made me feel like I couldn't do anything with any woman. I didn't mean that.
Alright, let me just act like I believe this balderdash. I'll go talk to my dad.
Erica, you don't have to tell your dad anything. Why are you acting like this? You don't have to tell your dad. Erica, stop.
Excuse me. Ooh. I guess the beach heard us. You heard us, right? I told you. Not with Kelvin. I always get even when I want. Now you can cry me a river. Bye.
It's really not what you think. Okay, Karen, it's really not what you think, okay? I don't know what you heard, but please, I can explain everything to you. Please, Karen. Karen, please. Karen, please.
Karen, what is it? Why are you crying? Talk to me. Why are you ignoring me? Please talk to me. If it's about Neto and I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Bro.
Thanks, man.
So, what are you going to do?
Honestly, I have no idea. But to think that I was already looking for a way to break up with Erica, and then this happens. I don't even know how to face Karen. Must come, my heart hurts.
You have always tried not to offend her. But is she even worth it? Because there's something I've been meaning to tell you, but I don't know how to.
I should have known. I should have known. With the way you never smiled and always kept a straight face, that there was nothing good about you. You know what I've been through with NATO. I told you. You made me fall for you just to massage your ego. Well, I hope that someone else bruises your heart the way you've done mine. I hate you. You were so wrong for doing this to me.
Let it burn like that. Let it burn like that. Let it burn like that. Love is magical. Love is real.
Hey, baby.
Every day.
Erica,
So what?
you need to leave.
Excuse you?
No, excuse you. Erica, I've had enough of this. You coming in here, carrying yourself about like you command my life and getting away with it. I'm done. I'm done playing the part where I act like you own my life just because I work for your father.
Okay, let's get something straight here. You're able to survive and own this apartment because I introduced you to my daddy as his clearing agent. And you make good money off it. So yes, you are answerable to me because I made you, Kelvin.
Damn you, Erica.
Say what now?
Well, you can call your father and tell him that I quit.
Kelvin. What's with this attitude? Huh? Are you sure you want to do this? My father has promised to hand over the Apple side to you if you treat me kindly.
Damn your father! Erica, damn you and damn your father! Get out.
This fire's burning deep inside me, and I'm wondering what is it about? Now I think about you without stopping, and I wonder what is it I'm doing? I don't have a clue.
You really have some nerves to come here.
Baby, just let me in. Let's talk.
To do what exactly?
To apologize for all the bad things I've done to you. Baby, I know you see me as a player and all, but those girls mean nothing to me. You are the one that I love. I just was only passing time with them, nothing more.
Leave my house.
Baby,
I need you to leave my house.
let's go inside.
Go inside and do what? Please just leave. I don't want to hear from you. I don't want you to apologize. You need to go. What's your love? Just don't touch me.
Let's go inside.
Go inside and do what?
Let's go in.
Please just leave. Need to just leave. Go out of my house. Need to please leave my house.
Bryan!
Leave my house. Now what is your problem? Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. What is it? Leave. Just go. I said you should leave.
What the fuck?
What is it? Did I ask you to fight for me? It's not like you're better than him.
Karen, this isn't just for you, okay? It's for me as well. You think I don't know what you did?
What do you mean by that?
I bet sure.
Thinking loud. Maybe it's my heart speaking, saying the words I get.
Bro, tell them what you saw. You weren't around that day. I just came back from the site. For some reasons, I sat out the window to receive some fresh air.
That guy is so dumb. You know, just standing here right next to you, I must say your beauty is almost taking my breath away. If I had someone like you, I would not live one day away from her.
Oh, please stop flattering me. Your girlfriend is beautiful too.
Well, Karen tried, but she's nothing compared to you. You are irresistible, so inviting. If I was a man, I would eat you up day and night.
Sadly, my boyfriend doesn't even touch me. He doesn't tell me how beautiful and attractive I am. Maybe he's sleeping around.
I guess we both have people who don't value us in their lives. But you see, life has given us lemons. We can make lemonades with it. We can leave the people who have hurt us and try to make something for ourselves. Except maybe you don't find me attractive.
Wow. That was magical.
There is more where that came from.
Wait. This is my boyfriend's house, remember? I guess we should just go out, get to know ourselves.
Okay.
Right? That would be nice. But first, I have to go put that girl in her place. I fight to win. I'll be back.
This is one big joke, right?
Well, if it is, then we can deny it.
So now you cannot speak English, right? Is that? You know what? You all deserve each other. I'm out of here. On a second thought, that was for all the things you did to me and sleeping with my friend. And you, I think it's about time you take your things and leave my house. I want to start my life all over again. You all? A bunch of betrayals.
But it sounds so beautiful.
You can tell your dad that I'm done with you and with the business.
You are so beautiful. Girl, you take my breath away. Like I'm dreaming, but I'm seeing every beat of your being standing right in front of me. Your every call, every sight, drop me deeper. And I'm wondering what is wrong with me. Maybe I'm just thinking what. Maybe it's my mind painting.
Karen, the motive was never to massage my ego, but to make you fall for me for real.
Yeah, I know. So that you'd prove your point that you can get any woman you want. And also the fact that your girlfriend doesn't control you. Well, you got what you wanted. Because I fell for you. I mean, it was easy. You played your game so well. And I gave my heart to you.
Babe, it really wasn't to prove a point or anything. I wanted to make you to fall for me for real because I fell for you from the very first moments that you made me smile. Right there and then, I knew that there was something special about you.
I heard you, Kelvin. You told her you just wanted to prove a point to Oscar.
I told her what she needed to hear, okay? Just so she wouldn't go reporting me to her dad. That's it. But you know what? Screw that. I thought about it. I got fed up with Erica a long time ago. I knew that she was never the one for me, but I needed the help. Please understand. That's why I let her do whatever she wanted to do in the relationship, just so I could keep my job. But hey, I don't need all of that anymore. So I let that go. Now I know what I want. I know what I need, and that's you. Babe. Please, I'm sorry. Okay? I was already attracted to you even before Oscar made that comment. It's just that the comment sort of instigated me and boosted my ego to make a move. Otherwise, I probably would have just kept staring at you and never said a word. But that would have been devastating because I would have never had the opportunity to experience this beautiful woman in my life. I'm solemnly sorry, please.
Special painting made of love, and it's so beautiful.
No, Kelvin.
You are beautiful.
I am not the one.
Oh, you're beautiful. Hello, can I come around tonight? Hello, even if it is your dream. I just want to be
Please.
by your side.
You know you're the one. Babe, you have no idea the power that you have over me. You're the only one who makes me feel complete.
How am I supposed to believe you're telling me the truth after all I heard?
Babe, feel my heart. It has never synced in beats the way it sings for you. And I swear that I'm telling you the truth. Please believe me. I'm sorry. Babe. Babe, if you walk away, I can't sleep through this pain. And I know that you can't. So please just give us a chance. Let's figure this out, both of us. We can't fight this feeling when both of us are going to lose. Please, I'm sorry.
You're never going to hurt me.
Babe, never. I swear it on the air that I breathe that I will never, ever hurt you. Let me show you what true love is. Just give me another chance, please.
Take my breath away, like I'm dreaming, but I'm seeing every beat of your being standing right in front of me. Your every call, every scent drove me deeper, and I'm wondering what is wrong with me. Maybe I'm just thinking wild. Maybe it's my mind painting, special painting made of love, and it's so beautiful. You are beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. Hello, can I come around tonight? Hello, even if it in your dream. Hello, I just wanna be by your side. Hello, even if it in your imagination. Girl, you're beautiful. I swear you're beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. It's burning up right now. It's burning up right now. Let it burn right now. Love is beautiful.